A well-balanced comfort dish in a bowl. That's rasam for you. Making this in Philips OneChef is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Today, we'll use the non-stick cooking pot for rasam. Press the power button, select curry mode followed by Veg Preset, and press start. Add ghee to the cooking pot. To the hot ghee, add mustard seeds, hing, crushed garlic, dry red chilies, curry leaves, and saute for 2 minutes. Now add fresh tomato puree, black pepper powder, cumin powder, tender coriander stems, and cook for 2 more minutes. Add dal water, cook dal, salt to taste, tamarind pulp, a little bit of jaggery, and now cover with a glass lid and let simmer for 16 minutes. Finished off with fresh coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Transfer to a serving bowl. Simple flavors, totally soulful. Rasam is pure therapy. Made easy with Philips OneChef. It's all you need.